If your handyman estimates begin as a few rushed notes on your phone, ChatGPT can help turn them into a clear draft. But there is one rule: never ask it to guess the price. In this video, we'll take a fictional door repair request from messy notes to a professional estimate structure. You'll see the exact prompt, the missing questions ChatGPT should flag, and the final checks you must complete before sending anything to a customer. ChatGPT's job is to organize the information you provide. Your job is to verify the site conditions, measurements, materials, labor, travel, taxes, markup, schedule, licensing, permits, and local requirements. AI should not decide what a repair costs or whether regulated work is allowed. Think of it as an administrative assistant preparing a draft for your review, not an estimator making the final decision. Start with factual notes. In our example, the exterior side door rubs near the top, the handle is loose, and cold air may enter around the frame. We have not inspected the hinges, frame, threshold, weather stripping, moisture, or structural condition. We also need dimensions, hardware details, finish expectations, and parts availability. Include those unknowns instead of hiding them. Paste this into ChatGPT. Act as an administrative assistant for my handyman business. Turn the job notes below into a customer estimate draft. Organize it into customer request, propose scope, materials to confirm, labor assumptions, exclusions, customer responsibilities, schedule, and questions I must answer before pricing. Do not invent prices, measurements, permits, warranties, code requirements, materials, or promises. Label every unknown as needing verification, then paste your factual job notes. Before pricing, review the questions ChatGPT produces. Where is the door rubbing? Are hinge screws loose or stripped? Is the frame square? Is there moisture or rot? Can the handle be reused? What weather stripping is required? Does the customer expect paint touch-up? Are there access, parking, disposal, or scheduling limits? Add anything ChatGPT misses based on your inspection and experience. After inspection, replace vague language with a precise scope. Inspect and adjust accessible hinges. Use approved fasteners. Adjust the existing handle with compatible parts. Install approved weather stripping if needed. Test operation and clean the work area. State exclusions too. Hidden rot, structural movement, full door replacement, painting, permits, and unlisted repairs are excluded unless you intentionally add them. Only now add numbers. Use your verified labor rate or job price, expected time, actual material costs, travel, disposal, tax, markup, deposit rules, and payment terms. Never copy prices suggested by ChatGPT. Confirm current cost and availability with suppliers. If there are several reasonable approaches, present clearly labeled options so the customer can see exactly what each includes. Before sending, check the customer details, scope, quantities, dates, price, payment terms, exclusions, warranty language, licensing, permits, and every promise. Remove anything ChatGPT invented, then ask, what information in this draft still needs verification? The complete prompt is in the description. Next, AI Work Crew will show you how to write professional customer texts, emails, and voicemail scripts.